Welcome back to UbAutoS, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, specs, and features. If you're passionate about cars and love staying updated on the latest releases, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V. Cadillac has always been known for blending luxury with high-performance engineering, and this latest model is no exception. Whether you're a longtime Cadillac fan or just someone curious about what this sports sedan has to offer, stick around because we're diving deep into everything you need to know. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Cadillac CT4-V carries forward the bold and aggressive styling we've come to expect from the brand. The front fascia features a blacked-out mesh grille with the iconic Cadillac crest sitting proudly at the center. Sleek LED headlights give the car a sharp, modern look, while the sculpted hood adds a touch of muscle. The aerodynamic lines along the sides of the car aren't just for show, they help improve airflow and performance, making this car as functional as it is beautiful. Moving to the rear, the CT4-V comes with a subtle rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips, signaling that this isn't just a luxury sedan, it's built for performance. The 18-inch alloy wheels, finished in a dark satin graphite, complete the aggressive yet refined aesthetic. Cadillac offers multiple color options, including some stunning metallic finishes that shimmer beautifully under sunlight. Now, let's talk about what lies under the hood. The 2025 CT4-V comes equipped with a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces an impressive 325 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and responsive acceleration. If you're someone who loves a thrilling drive, you'll appreciate the sharp throttle response and the roar of the exhaust that comes alive when you step on the gas. Performance-wise, the CT4-V can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. The magnetic ride control suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, providing both comfort and exceptional handling. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on sharp corners, this car feels balanced and confident at all times. The interior of the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V is where luxury meets functionality. Premium materials like leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and soft-touch plastics elevate the cabin experience. The sport seats are both supportive and comfortable, designed to keep you in place during spirited driving while offering enough comfort for long road trips. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is intuitive, with crisp graphics and responsive touch controls. There's also a rotary dial for those who prefer physical controls over touch inputs. A premium Bose audio system ensures that your favorite music sounds rich and immersive, whether you're listening to classic rock or your favorite podcast. When it comes to tech, the CT4-V doesn't disappoint. You get a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show various performance metrics, navigation, and media controls. The heads-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road without missing out on key details like speed, navigation prompts, or safety alerts. Speaking of safety, Cadillac has packed the CT4-V with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a surround view camera system that makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. One standout feature is the Super Cruise hands-free driving system, available as an optional extra. This system allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways, using a combination of radar, cameras, and GPS data to maintain speed, stay in your lane, and even change lanes automatically when it's safe to do so. It's a glimpse into the future of driving and adds an extra layer of convenience for long highway trips. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a performance sedan, offering around 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. While it's not the most fuel-efficient car in its class, the trade-off for the extra power and performance is well worth it for driving enthusiasts. As for pricing, the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V starts at around $48,000, but fully loaded models with additional performance and tech packages can push the price closer to $60,000. Considering the level of luxury, performance, and technology you get, it offers solid value in the luxury sports sedan segment. So, is the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V worth it? If you're looking for a car that offers a thrilling driving experience, cutting-edge technology, and a touch of luxury, then absolutely. It strikes a perfect balance between being a comfortable daily driver and a performance machine that can handle weekend track days. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to UbAuto's for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Got questions or thoughts about this car? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time, keep driving and stay safe.